Two, three, go on.
Hello everyone. On this 24th May 2025 in Indonesia, I'm Valerie from the Up-to-Date News, giving you information to keep you up to date. Materialism, the focus on acquiring goods, remains deeply ingrained in Western culture, from historical shifts emphasizing the material world to post-war consumerism. The pursuit of possessions has been a defining characteristic, while some data suggest a rise in individual materialism, particularly among younger Americans. Parts of Europe show a growing shift towards post-materialism values like quality of life over pure economics. However, the downsides are clear. Materialism leads to lower well-being and significant environmental impact. A growing discussion now focuses on finding a healthier balance, prioritizing connection and sustainability over endless consumption. That was the news for today. Thank you for listening this time. I'm Valerie from the Updated News, wishing you a pleasant day.
Okay.